Good morning.
Hello sir, I'm Shane from EmmDee.
Oh,
I'm here to repair your hot water cylinder.
fine. Come in, please.
Okay, thank you. I've been doing repairs for Soha now for over 4 years.
And what is the sort of thing you do on an average day?
Mainly tap washers, block sinks, block baths, hot water cylinders. I enjoy working alone and I also enjoy the plumbing aspects of my job. Today I'm doing a hot water cylinder changed.
Okay, and what's involved in that?
Draining down the old hot water cylinder, disconnecting and then removing, prepping the new one and then installing the new one, connecting up, fill and test.
Have you changed water tanks very often?
Yes, very often. I change them quite a lot actually.
Thank you for that. Thank you for your time.
No problem.